7 a.m. Sunday. We're walking in Cheviot Hills, California, and we're really close to Rancho Park. There's the newspaper dude throwing the newspapers, delivering the newspapers, delivering the news over there. He drives by and just throws the newspapers out the window to the house. Sometimes he gets out and walks over just to make sure that the newspaper gets to its intended destination. And we have these new homes here. They are building another one just like this one back there. These are very nice. They're very modern. Like, see, they look like square box. They're boxy like that. And then versus the old ones like this and that one. This is modern. I believe Tudor style, and I don't remember what style that one is. Somebody left the lights on, brake lights. There's somebody in the car. There's some buildings in the background. That's Century City Park. It's where the LA Marathon, it's the start of the LA Marathon. And then we have this old style homes here. Kind of like don't like the old style anymore. I like the new ones. Maybe they just look old. I don't know. And there is that Century City in the back in the front of us. Big ass buildings. This is our walk this morning. Because it's Sunday, there is not a lot of traffic. Everybody's like resting from work. And we made it to Rancho Park. I guess there's a few leagues, 5 to 15, basketball, baseball, for youth. And I'm pretty sure they also have soccer. Yeah, maybe tennis. There's tennis field. There are tennis fields here. Have a good Sunday, guys.